Who is it? A package! Hi, this is for you. A rainbow message. Whoops! Enjoy your flight. What do I do now? Oh, it's a rainbow challenge. My new rainbow outfit is so amazing and unique. But Rhonda isn't the only one who picked a rainbow outfit today. Hi! Brenda? Rhonda? You're wearing the same thing as me! You copied me! Even the clips are identical! How dare you! How dare you! Whoops! I'm just gonna leave! Sit down! You have to judge us! Chill! The Rainbow Challenge will judge you! Oh yeah! So here's your first task. Rainbow makeup!
Oh, wow!
Where can I find rainbow makeup? Wow! Unbelievable! He's going to propose to me! I'm proposing this rainbow EOS. Screw the EOS grid into the cap. Melt chapstick. Add food coloring and food glitter. Pour it into the container and let it harden. Make a few different layers. Wanna buy it? That's not romantic at all. I'll start with my eyes. This mascara is too boring, but a unicorn horn is just right. Wrap mascara in light clay. Make a spiral hollow using a modeling tool. Shape a unicorn horn. Color it rainbow. Apply Pearly shade with a mostly dry brush. Add a cut so that the tube can open. Wow! My makeup is so colorful! What is this noise? That's my rainbow! No, it's mine! They are fighting again! Enough! Oh! Here's your new task. Rainbow clothes! Hands off! One task for both of you! Okay, and don't fight anymore! Awesome! Finally, it's quiet! You again! You are always in my way! This isn't gonna work! Wow! That's it! Perfect! One of a kind! Rainbow sneakers! Attach masking tape to the top edge of sneaker soles. Color the sole with rainbow stripes. Remove the tape after the paint dries. Also paint white shoelaces in different colors. Lace the sneakers. They are going to be mine!
Wow!
Aw, wrong size! My sneakers! They are gone! Try on time! Unicorns love shopping! Wow! What a great bag!
Wow!
It's just what I need! Paint a fanny pack rainbow. Make smooth color transitions. And the bag is gone! No fair! I found sneakers! And I have a bag! So this is who stole my stuff! You were gonna pay for it! It's that unicorn! Run! Where's my toothpaste? It's them again! Here's another task. Find a rainbow candy. Oh, yeah! It must be somewhere here. Yes, there! Rainbow gum! Oh, no! Add food coloring to gum. Microwave it. Mix it well and roll it out. Cut it into strips. Get a few different colors. Put them in a decorative box. I won't give up! I'll put all the colors in the right order. Here, the rainbow's ready. And now I can enjoy it. Oh, the gum is stuck between my teeth. It's so cozy here. I'm gonna get it out. Oof, it's stuck tight. Let me go. I want to live here. Ha, it worked. More. There must be something I can use here. Hello? Hi, how can I help you? I need a rainbow dessert. I know. A rainbow cake is just what you need. Separate 5 eggs. Add 2 2/3 ounces of powdered sugar to each. Whip them and combine. Add 5 1/2 ounces of flour. Mix carefully. Add food coloring to the batter. Fill a baking mold with it, alternating the colors. Bake for 50 minutes at 350 degrees. Oh yeah! I'll get it!
Ow.
Hold on. What about the money? Sure. Do you accept rainbow money? Yeah. It's what 1 slice costs. Enjoy! So that's it? Thanks! Do you like it? Yeah! It's delicious!
Ew.
Whoops! What's wrong with her? Maybe a crumb got stuck. I'll beat this level today for sure!
Oh, yeah!
Brenda? And Rhonda? Again? Who's the winner? Stop! Let me finish first, and you stay quiet. You lost! No, you did! You! Stop it! Here's a task. And I'm out of here. A rainbow hairstyle. That's interesting. I'll find the best rainbow hairstyle. Wow! Brenda, look! You need something creative? We have it all! A rainbow comb case. Cut part of a comb. Hot glue it to a phone case. Paint rainbow strips. It's a phone case and a comb at the same time. And it comes with a phone. Pick the color. And our unique comb dyes your hair right away. It's that easy. A rainbow strand? Here you go. It's done in seconds. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free. This is a limited time offer. Buy it before it's too late. This should be enough. Here's all our money. Thank you. Here. Have a nice day. You go first. No, you do it. Fine, I will. Go Rainbow! Well, nothing. Let me do it. Did it work? No, it was a scam. That's horrible. Should we continue the challenge? Empty. No more tasks. In that case, the winner is, let's say Brenda. Yes! I won! And you lost! Ha Fine, Rhonda. Don't be sad. I need to cheer her up. I know. A friendship necklace. Rainbow magic! Help me out! It worked! A friendship necklace. Rhonda, this half is for you. And this is for me. friends forever, and no challenge can break us apart. Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us if you'd want to try doing a rainbow challenge. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.